Yes.
Okay, so we're starting. Okay guys, so tatapasin namin buong video.
Yes. Bakit?
Okay guys, so makikita niyo yung screen ni Silly the Pink na nasa taas ko. So guys, lalagyan natin ng underline para alam niyo kung alin yung screen ni Silly the Pink at kung alin yung screen ni Silly the Blue.
Yeah.
Okay guys, sorry kung maingay. It's because of my cousin.